Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the system safe. Disconnect the negative battery and wait about 5 minutes so airbags and body modules de-energize. Once done, remove the driver knee panel and the lower trim pieces to expose screws and wiring. This gives access to the instrument cluster area. Make sure to store screws separately and photograph connector locations as you go. This prevents confusion during reassembly. Now you have clear access to the cluster surround and the fasteners holding the dash in place. Proceed to the visibles. You now remove the bulk of the fasteners holding the dash face. Take out screws behind vent bezels under the radio and on top of the instrument cluster housing. Once fasteners are loose, gently pry trim pieces with plastic tools to release the clips. Use short, even pressure to avoid damage. Then disconnect wiring harnesses. Label each plug and depress locking tabs fully before separating. Since multiple connectors share cavities, take photos and work methodically. When the face is free, support it as you access deeper screws. You're at the final extraction. Support the dash assembly and remove the remaining bolts securing it to the crossbar, keeping an eye on HVAC ducts and brace alignment. Once bolts are clear, lift the dash straight out to avoid snagging wiring or airbag connectors. Have a helper if it's heavy. After removal, inspect harnesses and foam seals, and when reinstalling, reverse the steps, torque bolts snugly, and reconnect battery last. If gauges or airbags fault, immediately recheck cluster and airbag connectors, and clear any pinched wires.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.